Okay guys, today I will be making mini brand. I will be unboxing mini brand. They're mini shopping brand that fit in your hand. There are 70 plus mini brands to collect, ages 3 and above. Let's open. This is just like an LOL surprise. I can't wait to open it. I see a lot of people on YouTube that have opened this. Wow, so cool. Now, let's peel this. Wait, it's like an orange. Wait, I think we were supposed to get this wrap off. I cannot wait to see what we get. See? It's like an orange. Let's open this big one. Let's open this small one because the small ones are better to me. Let's get my scissors. And let's see what we got. Oh! This comes with the collector's guide, I think. Yes, it does. And I'm pretty sure we got a shopping cart. Is this the collector's guide? No, it's just the shopping cart. How to build. Put that aside. And let's see what else we got. I can't wait. I cannot wait. Wow, we got this. It's pure silk. I don't know what that is. Spot therapy. But it looks just like lip balm. That's what I like about it. Here, let's open this one. We got this giant bottle of soy sauce. I can show you. Soy sauce is like a sauce that you could put on your food. See? Really cool. Let's open the big one. This big one. We got Twinkies with the collector's guide. This time we actually got collector's guide. Here's the Twinkies. It's so cute. Here's what we can find. Look, I think we have this. We have this one. And we have this so far. Wait, where's the Twinkies? The Twinkies is right here. And we got the shopping cart. Let's open this one. Let's see. It feels hard, so it's probably too hard. We got Tress Emmy. This is like shampoo or conditioners. Okay, I think that's it. You can see on a different YouTuber's site called My Froggy Stuff, and she will teach you how to make a shelf with these orange peels. Okay, let's check out the ones that we got. Here's some gold, metallic, glow in the dark, in rares. Did we get anything on here? Yeah, Tresemme. Here's a Tresemme. And I think the rest are on the back. We got this pure silk. We have Twinkies. We have soy sauce. And we also have the shopping cart. Wait, I have no idea what this is like. Let me see. No, it doesn't show if it's rare. I think this is the common. Yeah. Okay, let's build the shopping cart. If I can build it. How do I build this? Let's see the guide to know how to build this tiny little guide. We have tiny shopping cart. Okay, let's build. First of all, we have this part, and then you put. Oh yeah. Okay, I got it now. So then you put. Wait, what? I'm confused. I don't know how to build. Let's start with this part. Okay, I think this is for two. I just don't know. Let's try to figure out. Oh yeah. We have to put this on here. Oh yeah. I know what a shopping cart looks like. Put that on if we can. I don't think we can, so we'll end the video right here. Here's what I got. We got some pretty cool stuff. So, okay, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and don't forget to comment down below. Bye!